Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada again, and if it's your first time watching my video, please click on the subscribe button below to get subscribed, and also on the notification bell to get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So anyway guys, see, not mind this my voice because I've been having cough and catarrh for some time now, and it's not even improving, but we have to enjoy this our village waka. So right now I'm in a very popular place in Obodukwu. It's called Amazaraza. Like, this is a local joint where you can get all the local delicacies like Nkwobi, shewu, and all those lovely things to chop. So just follow me and see what is happening right here in Amazaraza. As you can see, is a very busy place. A lot of people come here to just cool, you know, relax, eat local dishes like Nkwobi. Me, I'm here to eat Nkwobi because it's not something I get there. So I'm here to eat Nkwobi and enjoy my safe. So yeah.
African special.
Shape later. They're so good. It's really so good. They're so good. I could go for 2 or 3 places, but if I'm going to eat it to is a ratuaka, but guys, that's how we do it in the village. That's a local joint, a very popular one in Obodukwu, right? Yes, in Obodukwu. It's called Amazaraza. And they make really delicious local dishes. And I just ate Nkwobi, as in very sharp Nkwobi. I know I actual shape later, okay? So don't start judging me. Come carry you bam horo ya ma. So as you can see, there are a lot of cars, like big, small cars. Any type of car you want is here. And there are lots of people here eating and jollificating, enjoying themselves. Yeah, it's a very busy place. You can see, oh my God, you can see how it is. There are lots of people, and there are still a lot of people still coming back to the place to just sit out. Mama Chereno, to just sit out with their friends and families and just enjoy themselves. You can see how busy it is. It's a very busy place. It's called Amazaraza in Obodukwu, Imo State. So if you are chance to be in Obodukwu in Imo State, don't ever Obodukwu. If you're ever chance to be in Obodukwu, Imo State, don't ever miss going to this place. Like, it's everything. The Nkwobi is very sharp. Me specifically, I wanted to eat Nkwobi and I enjoyed the hell out of it. Like, hey, I didn't miss it at all, and it tastes really nice. So just come here and enjoy yourself. You're safe. Okay, yes, and this is it. So that's the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your friends, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.